What's up guys, Mike Shannon here with Michigan Muscle. This is my buddy Donnie. We're out at the M1 Concourse right now, Cars and Coffee. It's a pretty good turnout today. Got something kind of cool. There's a dyno here, a mobile dyno. We're gonna get the Camaro out there after the headers just got installed and we're gonna see what it'll make. The last numbers it put down was 420 at the wheels with E85, a tune, and a cold air intake. The headers should add a little bit more, so we're gonna see where we're at. The headers are on, it turned out great. The thing's loud as hell. It'll be interesting. We're gonna break some eardrums, I think.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
It'll be a blast. So right now there's a 29 Model T.
Yeah.
On the dyno. I think it's gonna make like 20 horsepower. Made 43 horsepower.
23. 23.
Oh, 23 horsepower. Yeah, so we were right.
You were just right.
20 horsepower. That's pretty close. All right, so we're gonna let the car warm up. We're next. We did the math. It's gonna make 22 times the horsepower as that Model T.
We're just about to take the car over.
Back up and get straight.
Yeah, so the car's almost hooked up. We're gonna get it pulling pretty soon. It'll be kind of cool.
All right, here we go. Hopefully, I'm excited. It's gonna be loud.
And it costs a lot of money to do that. One problem is it's left-hand drive. We are left-hand drive and that's right-hand drive.
$400. 416 max torque.
What's the number? What did you get?
We made 400 to the wheel.
What was it?
400 to the wheel. 30 short of what we were hoping. Because
About 460, 480 at the
Mike, you said it was flex fuel, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that was fourth gear.
Okay. Are we fifth? Gotcha. All right. Now that was fourth gear pull. Now we're gonna do a fifth gear pull.
So I'm gonna wait till the high acceleration.
Oh, to record?
Yeah.
Oh, because that was awesome. That was loud.
Yeah, I think he's doing it.
so unfortunately we only made 400 horsepower, which I think the cause of that was the motor was losing power. It was losing power at the top end. It was either cutting fuel or cutting air because of the header install. So I'm gonna get my tune updated and we're gonna go from there and check it out. But it sounded mean as hell. It's pretty sweet.
Sure did. That was insane.
That's not rock, by the way. That's the weekend car. Doesn't seem very much.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. So now we're gonna go check out check out a slam Saturn on the dyno.
Oh yeah. Hoping to make 100 horsepower.
We're gonna make 100 horsepower. I think this is the highest horsepower car all day.
You're in minority, but that's okay.
I know everybody says that.
I'll set down a nice $100 call.
Alright guys, that's a wrap up from M1 today. Needless to say, it was awesome. Unfortunately, the car didn't make as much power as I thought it was going to on the dyno. It was kind of a surprise in the first place there even being a dyno there, which I thought was really cool. And it was free too, which is even better. Yeah, it was a great turnout. Lots of Lamborghinis, lots of really cool things. That was a blast. Hopefully I'm gonna get the car tuned later, retuned I should say. It's weird because the car made 420 horsepower before the headers were put on, and then afterwards it made 400, and there was as you watch the horsepower curve come up, there's a small dip almost, and it was very consistent with all 3 pulls, and you can physically hear the fuel cut off almost. You'd hit probably, it was like 5,800, 6,000 RPMs, and it was a noticeable fuel cut. Like the engine would get disabled. I don't think it's from the air intake, so it's definitely getting enough air, but I don't know if it's getting enough fuel. And that could either be injectors or it could be something in the tune that I had prior to this. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna drop it off at MJD and see what he has to say about it. But anyways, as always, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. It's growing rapidly. I can't thank you guys enough for the support. This is awesome. So make sure to like this video and drop a comment below on what you think.